Welcome po mga kaibigan sa aming mainit na pagpatuloy na paghahatid sa inyo ng Shakey's V-League Season 10 right here on GMA News TV. Ito po ang ating open conference at sa ilang sandali po ay magsisimula na ang labanan ng PNP kontra sa Philippine Army. Noel Zarate alongside Michelle Gumabaw.
Hello.
At bago ko pong batiin ng belated happy birthday si Michelle, meron tayong konting video tungkol dito po sa Philippine National Police Squad. Let's take a look at this.
Service, honor, at justice. Ito ang pilosopiyang pinanindigan ng hukbo ng Philippine National Police. At ngayon, ang kanilang katapangan masusubok sa loob ng court. Sila ang PNP Lady Patrollers. Ang kanilang team pinamumunuan ni Coach PJ Pahanostan na halos 3 dekada nang nagvo-volleyball.
Since nung year ng Kabataan Barangay pa yan. And then hanggang sa nagkaroon kami ng sariling team actually, yung para sa interbarangay, ako na nag-train, ako na nagko-coach. Di bali, na-inspired ako sa volleyball hanggang sa pumasok ako ng PNP.
Dati sa AFP PNP Olympics lang makikita ang mga player ng PNP. Ngayon, nakikipagbakbakan na rin sila sa mga pinakamagagaling sa women's volleyball.
Sa ngayon nakikita ko yung PNP team, talagang maski hindi pa kami masyadong magkakakilala, pero nandun nakikita ko yung isa yung aim namin ipakita yung PNP team na kaya namin.
The latest match heats up, together with Rexona Antiperspirant Deodorant.
And of course mga kaibigan, here at the arena, preliminary round, patuloy po dito po sa ating Shakey's V-League. PNP, the Philippine National Police, nakita natin sila kanina, the Lady Patrollers taking on the Lady Troopers of the Philippine Army. Once again, Noel Zarate alongside the birthday girl, Michelle Gumabaw. Ayan, dami pumabati sa'yo.
Yes, thank
September
you.
2, birthday niya.
Kahapon, belated na.
Belated daw. Maraming fans ang bumabati ng belated. 21 years old na po, legal in all states according to her. At titignan natin sa ating team standings ang dalawang kuponan na ito. Philippine Army, wala pang talo although they've only played 2 games. How about PNP? Wala pa rin panalo in their 2 games.
Yeah, so may kita kasi natin yung talagang lineup nila ibang-iba Veterans versus veterans naman din ng PNP pero may halo ding mga baguhan sa Shakey's V-League.
Well, of course, para naman dito sa kuponan ng Philippine Army, race to a 2-2 lead. Marami nagsasabi dito na mahirap po talunin itong kuponan ng Philippine Army. Because itong Philippine Army, Lady Troopers, stacked with talent. They have been together for the last 5 years. And pero yung bagito nila, matatawag natin bagito rito, si Nerissa Bautista or Nene Bautista, was actually the star nung kanilang huling pagkapanalo against the Philippine Navy. Kwento ko sa iyo, Michelle, ito si Nene Bautista actually did not play in her first game, started in their second game, napilay, bumalik, at gumawa ng 11 points.
11, hindi yung biro yan
11 points. Ginawa niya doon after spraining her right ankle nung first set of that game. At talagang ginulpi nila yung Philippine Navy courtesy of Nerissa Bautista and of course Jovelyn Gonzaga. Pero Nene talaga ang bumida sa kanila doon.
So siguro talaga ganyan pag athlete, hindi talaga nagpapa-apekto pagdating sa mga injuries, sa kahit anong sakit ng katawan. Laro talaga kung laro.
Well, Nene Bautista of course did score 11 points pero ang maraming nagulat sa third set performance itong si Mayat Carolino. Alam po natin that Mayat Carolino is still recovering from a tendon tear in her right shoulder. Hindi nga actually naglaro rin sa kanilang first game. But not only did she play nung kanilang second game, nag-setter pa siya nung third set. So yan talaga exercise mo yung balikat mo doon.
So pinalitan niya, of course, kaya natin lahat, si Tina Salak na kanilang number 1 setter. But nung pinalitan siya nung third set, she still worked for the team. She was also, di ba, the utility spiker before.
Yes.
Magaling talaga mag-set kasi pag utility spiker ka, trained na talaga yun mag-set.
And of course, a former member of the national team as well. So titignan natin if Mayat Carolino will play the same role para dito sa Philippine Army sa laban nila against the Philippine National Police. Wala pa pong panalo in 2 matches itong kuponan ng PNP. And you were mentioning to me earlier, Michelle, na ang tagal nagpahinga nitong grupong to.
2 weeks na nagpahinga. So ang dami nagsasabi na baka pagbalik ngayon, ready or handang-handa na sila, nakapag-training na matagal yung team na to.
Well, of course, Coach Bob Malena, I was actually fortunate to watch one of their training sessions over there at Camp Crame, or rather Camp Aguinaldo. At nakita ko talaga kung gaano ka-intense yung kanilang training. And of course, you're going to add to the mix dito sa kupunan ng Philippine National Police a Thai import. And not just any Thai import, a former captain of the Thai national team na matagal-tagal na rin na pwesto rito sa Pilipinas. We're talking about Pachari Sangmuang, who is making her debut para dito sa Lady Patrollers?
First game niya ito and of course, kailangan ng PNP ng pambatong veteran player sa mga kalabanin nila ngayon na, of course, Team Army.
Naalala natin kasi nung huling laban ng Cagayan Valley, naging player of the game po doon si Kanika Tipachot. Hindi daw marunong mag-English. So, Pachari Sangwang was actually the interpreter nung ating interview. But more than that, nabanggit nga natin, former captain of the Thai national team. She's already in her 30s, pero ang bigat pa rin ang palo niyan, Michelle.
Siyempre, kailangan, Noel, continuous yung pagka-training na. And of course, dapat kilala niya na yung mga teammates niya ngayon in order for her to give her best or to play her game. Sana naman na nakapag-training na siya with the PNP and of course, sobrang hirap nga ng training na pagdaanan ng team na to.
Well, of course, 2 weeks. That is a long time to get used to your new team. And let's see if that will work out para dito kay Pachari Sangwang. And when we talk about veterans, of course, si Pachari Sangwang in her 30s, former captain of the Thai national team. Veteran dito sa kanila, si Michelle Datuin at center. You know her very well, although hindi kayo nagkaabot nung college. You played for
Di
the same
naman,
school.
yes.
You played for the same school, pero alam natin kung gaano ka-feisty at gaano katapang ito si Mitch Datuin. Can that translate into victories para sa Lady Patrollers?
She's a very dedicated player and isa siya sa mga tinitingala ng mga teammates niya. Hopefully her feistiness, her eagerness to play and to get that winning or to get a point, mahahawa yung mga players or yung mga teammates niya sa larong ito.
Well, Michelle Datuin needs to be a factor up in the middle. But of course, you still have the Molina-Marciano connection, which the Philippine Army will be looking out for. Can the Philippine Army extend their winning streak to 3 o makakakuha na po ng unang pagkapanalo ang PNP? Malalaman po natin, ito po ang Shakey's Feeling Open Conference.
Introducing our officials for this match. First referee, Mr. Dante Malazarte, National Referee. Second referee, Mr. Efren Gaa, International Referee. Let's call on our starting lineup from our Lady Patrollers of the Philippine National Police. Wearing jersey number 1, Frances Sinia Molina. At number 2, Ana Veronica Concepcion. Wearing jersey number 9, Janine Nicole Marciano. At number 10, Michelle Datuin. Wearing jersey number 17, Melissa Camille Ogana. And making her first appearance here is number 20, Pachari Sangmuang. Libero, number 16, Justine May Tadeo. Head coach, Mr. Bob Malenab. Calling on our Lady Troopers of the Philippine Army. Let's start off with their team captain with jersey number 3, Joanne Bunag. At number 5, Mary Jean Balse. Wearing jersey number 7, Christina Salak. At number 8, Jovelyn Gonzaga. Wearing jersey number 9, Michelle Carolino. And at number 14, Nerissa Bautista. Libero, number 2, Patricia Shatan Torres. Head coach, Mr. Rico De Guzman.
Aba, maglalaro na si Tina Salak sa larong ito. Of course, in their last game, as we join you from the San Juan Arena in San Juan City, si Tina Salak po hindi naglaro para sa Philippine Army the last game. Tinanong ko sa kanya kung bakit. Give chance to others naman daw. Malapit na Pasko, months na ngayon.
Talagang confident eh.
Oh, very confident. This is a very strong team.
Yes.
Itong kupunan ng Philippine Army and the Philippine National Police will have their hands full dito. Pero nabanggit nga natin kanina, Pachari Sangmuang seeing her first action ngayon para dito sa kupunan ng Lady Patrollers. And let's see if she will make a difference. So mukhang magsisimula siya dun sa open spiker position. On Molina and Marciano starting out in the back row. So this will be very interesting para kay Bob Malenab. Ayan po si Francis Molina. her debut here in the Shakey's V-League, she scored 22 points.
Yes.
Medyo may kalakasan po yung batang yan.
Masipag kasi siya pumasok eh. Masipag
Right.
mag-block and hindi lang siya sa spikes kumukuha ng points.
And Janine Marciano, we showed her earlier, hindi nakuha yung service doon ni Tina Salak. So Tina Salak scoring the first point para dito sa kupunan ng Philippine Army as we are underway. Francis Molina and Janine Marciano both scoring 22 points in their opening day loss to Meralco. Here is Pachari Samwang, subukan kagad sa open. And Veronica Concepcion going to Mitch na to win. Jovelyn Gonzaga, turned back by Pachari Samwang. Ayan ang ibibigay din. Ang haba rin dito si Pachari.
Naglaban yung dalawang matatangkad sa
Yes.
harap. Yun ang hirap kapag binabantayan mo someone like Jovelyn Gonzaga na left-handed
Yes.
striker. Nakakalito for a blocker but nakuha pa rin niya yung point.
And here's Veronica Concepcion on the serve. Back set ngayon. Ging Balse. Off the net. Well played that time by Mitch na to win. Salak now on a quick set to Balse. Concepcion on the back set now to Camilo Gana. Tina Salak now. Jovelyn Gonzaga off the block of the to win and no coverage coming there from Janine Marciano.
Masyadong malayo.
Oo.
Hindi na umabot.
Pero yan, si Gonzaga, nabansagan na nga natin, the Bionic Ilongga. And she
Yes.
showed us why in that last attack. If it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. Ito po ang taga Davao na si Ging Balse. Reception is not there. So a bad start para kay Francis Molina. Or make that Janine Marciano in terms of reception para sa PNP.
Pangalawa na yan. Kanina kay Tina Salak in service.
Of course, the Marciano-Molina connection coming from San Beda College in the NCAA. Ito yung mga batang-batang player dito ng PNP. Free ball going to be given up here by Sang Wang. Tina Salak now going to the open for Michelle Carolino. Concepcion now for Pachari. Coverage is there para dito kay Tina Salak. Here is Michelle Carolino once again relentless attacking from the former national team player.
Ang saya panoorin ng Team Army kasi
Right.
alam mo magkakakilala sila, tagal nila na magkakasama and of course, alam na nila yung galaw ng isa't isa.
So tapos na eksperimento rito sa likuran para kay Marciano. Papasok na po itong si Dave. Seeing her first action of the match. The former Adamson spiker. And into the net para dito kay Ging Balse. Ayan ang kailangan iwasan din ng Army dito, Michelle. Okay, ang lakas nga ng opensa nila, lakas ng depensa nila. Pero pag namimigay naman sila ng punto sa errors, makikinabang talaga itong PNP.
Oo, tsaka tataas ang kumpiyansa ng kabilang
Yes.
team pag nakikita nila ang kalaban nila nag-error.
And now serving, isang dating schoolmate ni
Yes, one of-
Michelle Gumabaw.
Naging coach ko din yan.
Ah, wow. So, Michelle Datuin, na fit na fit pa rin after all the years that she has serviced volleyball. Eto ngayon si Concepcion going to Molina. Salak, it's a lifting violation. Nang-alangan si Tina that time.
She was almost there.
Oo.
Yun ang advantages kapag matangkad ang setter.
Ayun din ang disadvantage. Hindi mo alam kung ano gagawin mo. Underhand ko ba to? O paano ba tanggap ko rito? So another error for the Philippine Army. Datuin on the serve. Torres is there. Bunag will do the setting for Jovelyn Gonzaga.
Hindi mo mabantayan pag left-handed eh.
Oo.
Sumusobra siya and sanay ang mga tao, sanay ang mga blockers sa mga right-handed spikers talaga.
Rexona anti-perspirant deodorant, it won't let you down. At tandaan din natin na si Sang Wang, although she has played against Gonzaga before, kailangan kapain niya ulit as Nene Bautista converts on the gift. Galing doon sa reception na yun ni Sang Wang.
Regarong regal.
Oo. Saka si Nene, haba rin. She's about 5'9". Another former member of the national team. Actually, titignan ko itong lineup na to eh. Hindi lang nag-national
national team ba?
Oh, yung hindi lang nag-national team dito as that cross-court hit connects. Or misses rather. Yung hindi lang nag-national team dito si Joanne Bunag. Yan pa yung captain nila.
Yes. But magaling kasi si Joanne Bunag
Oh,
ever
yeah.
since. And now she's playing her original position. Center spiker siya ngayon.
Yes. Of course, because of the injury to Jack Alarca, balik gitna ulit itong si Joanne Bunag. Here's Tina Salak now going to Gonzaga once again. This time dug up by Justine Tadeo. Sang Muang. Carolino. Salak now. Combination for Bautista. Cross court.
Oh, single block. Hindi na mapigilan ng single block na gano'n. Pag gano'n kataas ang
Oo.
kuha ng isang Nene Bautista.
Mainit na pagsimula para dito sa kupunan ng Philippine Army. They're up by 5.